New setups ready for roll racing. From last year I changed out the turbo side. I had a Gen 2 6266 with a .84 rear housing, and I had a 3-inch dump pipe into a twin exhaust that had 2-inch restrictions in it. So this year I put a little bit bigger turbo. I just put a Precision Gen 2 6466 with a bigger rear housing. It's got a 1.0 rear housing, and I made a 4-inch dump pipe into the exhaust. It's a full 4-inch straight pipe, no mufflers or anything. It's very loud. Last year I ran the 626 on 26 pound, which was pretty good, went pretty well, no issues. But I think this year I should be able to go up a bit more boost on this setup, make a bit more power. I've also changed the diff gears. Had got a Ford rear end, a Ford 8.8, so it's pretty easy to change the diff gears. So I had 3.08 gears last year, and whenever you got into second gear it didn't really move, it was a bit slow. So I've got a set of 14 gears in there now, so it goes alright. Got other fuel sort of setup I've got, just got a meth tank, and it's just, that setup's just spraying water. It sprays one 300cc injector into the charge pipe, just keep it cool. That's about it. It's got the same as last year, still got Powerglide in it, so just a bit easier to drive, or to race anyway. But everything's ready to go, and hopefully you'll see it at 30 pound or so.